Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus Nord CE 5G, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first you should hold for a while your application and drag this application to the another app by this way, and as can you see, we got right now here the new folder on our screen, and by the same way you can add the one more application to this folder. And if you'll just tap here on this folder, you can rename the folder. Just here tap to name and enter your new folder name. And also if you want to just move your folder here on the screen, hold for a while and drag it. And also you can move your folder here between the screens by this way, and we can go back now. And if you want to remove the application from your folder, just hold and here tap to sorry, I just created the new folder. Okay, I'll just move this application from the folder, and as can you see, we got here right now another folder just to separate applications. And by the same way also you can just here move hold for a while the app and tap here to remove the application from the folder, and that's it. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.